on how we're doing it.
Joel Fay is an EMS manager in Truman.
Electricity needs to be there. Those medications need to be at temperature, and if they're not, they need to be discarded and replaced.
He also worries the rising costs will put a burden on local taxpayers.
Increase in cost to us may end up causing an increase to our tax base, which is not something I think any of us want by any means.
But Fay says they're still committed to getting the job done.
The bottom line is we need to answer our calls. How we do that, we will cross that bridge when we need to. We need to be able to provide that care for our community.
They get hitting, 8th in base hits, 1st in RBIs, 5th in home runs. He's just been a...
It's food when you can be a world-class water slider. We're your kind of people. Book your kind.
I'm built for defending things that make it defending. FX is the old man. All new Thursdays on FX. Stream
this summer for an unforgettable concert experience with the beautiful Pacific Ocean at your back. Proceeds benefit our valuable.
1 hour. Safeway's organic produce, surprise treats from the bakery.
AJ Real Cam to the rescue. That's a deadhead.
Instacart app or visit instacart.com to get 10
That's a deadhead.
first order using the code Safeway10. Offer valid for a limited time. Minimum order $35. Additional terms apply.
Getting engaged, Blue Nile can help you find the perfect engagement ring at a price you won't find at a traditional jeweler. Browse online and get inspiration from thousands of options, including diamond and gemstone rings. Many rings are ready to ship same day, delivered right to your door. Wait for you to pop the question. Why some listeners use code radio to save $50 on purchases of $500 or more. This offer expires soon, so go to BlueNile.com. That's BlueNile.com and make your
generator, all backup system from full zero. Got the lights, Wi-Fi, TV, refrigerator, and more home power, clean energy. I got a blackout. I'm a failure.
The Gold Zero solar generator, starting at $2,800 at GoldZero.com. Some internet companies make promises and plans they just can't deliver. Instead of internet offers a free experience to more homes, all the way consistent dollars and support.
20. This is the ideal situation for Cleveland. Get his pitch count up early and get him out early. 45 feet. As he picked it up, he fell to his knee, threw to first, and made a terrific play out of it. Boy, he's some athlete.